Happy Smart Tots. So Tots, let's dive into the water and learn about water vehicle.
This is a boat. Repeat after me. Boat.
A boat is a small water vehicle used for fun rides, fishing or travel.
This is a submarine. Kids, repeat after me. Submarine.
Submarine can travel deep under the ocean. Amazing, kids.
This is a cargo ship. Repeat after me. Cargo ship.
Carries goods like clothes, food, cars across the sea.
This is a canoe. Canoe.
It is a narrow boat paddled with an oar. It's looking very beautiful, kids.
This is a ship. Repeat after me. Ship.
Ships are very big and can carry lots of people and cargo.
Ferry. Kids, this is a ferry.
A ferry carries people, cars or loads across the river or sea.
This is a cruise ship. Cruise ship.
It's like a floating hotel, restaurant, swimming pool and even theaters.
This is a yacht. Repeat, kids. Yacht.
A yacht is a luxury boat used for fun, parties or for holidays. Wow, kids! Today we learned so many cool water vehicles. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Happy Smart Tots. Keep learning, kids. See you in next educational video.